Good morning, students. So we have started this chapter and we were discussing exercise 23b. So let's discuss few more questions. So question number 12. Suppose something is given like this and we have to find the value of x. Then how we will solve? That one will go there. So it becomes like this. Then again 2 will go there. So it will be 1 by 2. And we know that cos is 1 by 2 when it is equals to 60 degree. That means our 3x will be equal to 60, and from here you will get x equal to 60 by 3, that is 20 degree. Okay, so again what we have used the standard value of the trigonometric ratios. Suppose it is equals to half. So what we know, when sine is half, when it is 30 degree. So we will compare these two values. You will get x plus 10 is equals to 30 and x will be 30 minus 10, that is 20 degree. Okay, like this. Now in this type what we will do, 2 will come here and you will get cos 3x minus 15 is equals to 1 by 2. And when cos is 1 by 2, like we have done here, it is 1 by 2 when it is equals to 60 degree. So that means again we will compare these angles. You will get 3x minus 15 is equals to 60 degree, and or you get 3x equal to 60 plus 15. That means 3x equal to 75 degree, or we can say what is x, 75 upon 3, that is 25 degree. Let's discuss one more type. Okay, so again we will take 3 there. 1 by 3. Now in order to remove this square, what we will do, we will take the square root on both sides. So what you will get 1 upon root 3, and we will take only positive value of this 1 upon root 3. So when 10 is equals to 1 upon root 3, when it is 30 degrees. So again in the same manner we will compare the angles. You will get 2x equal to 50 and x equal to 50 by 2, that is 25 degree. Okay. So in this manner you can solve the questions. Only thing that you need is to remember the standard value of trigonometric angles, then only you can solve the questions like of this. Okay, let's discuss few more questions. Suppose a question is like this. So first we will put the value of cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2 square. It will remain cos is x and it is equals to 1. Then it will be how much? 3 by 4 plus cos square x equals to 1. So this 3 by 4 will go there, so it becomes cos square x equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. You will take the LCM. So it is equals to 1 by 4. So again we will take square root on both sides. So when you take square root on both sides, what you will get? You will get cos x equal to square root of 1 by 4. And what is the square root of 1 by 4? 1 by 2. So that means when cos is 1 by 2, when it is 60 degree, that means x equal to 60 degree. Okay. Let's discuss one more question in case if you do not understood. Okay. So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2, and this we cannot solve. So you can keep it like this, equals to 1. Okay, remember you only can compare the angle when both sides have the same value. So it is 3 by 4 plus cos square 3x minus 9 is equals to 1. So again, in the same manner that we have done in the previous question, 3 by 4 will come here, then you will take the LCM, you will get 1 by 4. So again we will take the square root on both sides, so what you will get, 1 by 2. And when the cos is 1 by 2, when it is 60 degree, that is cos 60 degrees. So again we will compare these two angles. So what is x? 69 by 3, that is 23 degree. Okay, so in this manner you can solve the questions like so this. You just learned that values of standard trigonometric angles. Okay, let's discuss one more question, important one. 2 cos A plus B is equals to 2 sin A minus B equals to 1. Okay, suppose a question is like this and we have to find the value of A and B. So how do we start? First we will compare these two equations, that is both are equal to 1, like this we will compare. Then from here you will get cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2. Here also you will get sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2. So when cos is 1 by 2, when it is equals to 60 degree, and when sin is 1 by 2, when it is equals to 30 degree. Okay, so like this we have reached so far. Now we will compare these two values. So what you will get? You will get A plus B is equals to 60 degree. This is our first equation. And here you will get A minus B equals to 30 degree. This is our second equation. So what we will do? We will add these two equations. Why? Because we have to eliminate one of the variables. So we are eliminating B. So like this you can add A plus B plus A minus B equals to 60 plus 30. See, B and B cancel. So what you will get? You will get here 2A equals to 90 degree. That means what is A? 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So this is our value of A. Now you choose any of these two equations and you will put the value of A equals to 45 degree. Suppose I take equation first. So I will write, put value of A in equation 1. So value of A is 45 plus B is equals to 60 degree. So B you will get 60 minus 45, that is 15 degree. Okay. So like in this way you can solve the questions like so this. One more time I am repeating. You first compare these two equations equal to 1. Then 2 will come here. You will get cos A plus B equals to 1 by 2. Sin A minus B equals to 1 by 2. Then when cos is 1 by 2, when it is 60 degree. And when sin is 1 by 2, when it is 30 degree. So from here you will get one equation. A plus B equals to 60. And from here you will get A minus B equals to 30. Now since we have to eliminate one of the variables out of these two equations. So either you can add these two equations or you can subtract. I have added these two equations. So A plus B plus A minus B, 60 plus 30. So B and B cancel, you will get 2A is equals to 90. So what is A? 45 degree. Then this value of A you can put in any of these two equations, either 1 or 2. I have put the value of A in equation 1. So I get the answer as B is equals to 15. Okay, so this is the end of your chapter. standard value of trigonometric ratios, and next chapter we will discuss soon. Thank you.